So, basically, on how I weigh things is like, for example, itong shoot. If think ko na medyo important siya, so, ginabalance ko na parang, kailangan ako dito na shoot kasi ako ang needed lang. Or if dito din is needed ako, like for example, yung presentation. So, paminsan, nag-renego ako with my other shoots as well. O, renego with the client. Kasi renego is important skill din if working student ka. Kasi, although you want to full out on things, life will hit you hard na, Kian, may gawin ka dito. So, need mo to i-sacrifice. So, yun, renego. So, renego talaga, not only sa work, but also in school as well. Kasi, suki na ako sa mga teachers ko na, ma'am, pwede pa renego ko, ma'am. Kasi, namo ko shoot, ma'am. And thankfully, mga teachers din sa Mapo is very understanding. Although, I submit on time talaga kasi unfair din sa ibang students na ano. So, ma'am, renego ako, ma'am. Di ako maka-attend, ma'am. Pero, I will work on the activities remaining and I will submit it on time. So, yun. Kaya, for me, to balance things is meron ka talagang good base of work ethic.